Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 SEAT Ibiza FR Sport. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and returning up to a very impressive 52 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 13 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the metallic midnight black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the FR Sport, you've got the sports features, which include the half leather seats there, which are really comfy and supportive, with the red stitching that also matches the leather steering wheel. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the digital display, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a 5-door, the Ibiza is a nice practical small hatchback with a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have pockets in the back of the front seats as well. Opening the tailgate on the Ibiza reveals a nice deep boot there, nice and square and wide as well, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front fog lights, and the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.